There have been some news that two names have been discussed for minister's post and तुम्हें है कि हमने कर ले
These are all rumors.
हाँ.
I don't know. Only one man knows.
Okay.
That is man.
हाँ.
That is chief minister.
हाँ.
And remaining, God has His own plans for everyone.
But would Michael keep quiet if Pramod Cabral has been given the post?
I cannot discuss this issue. It is the prerogative of the chief minister and BJP party.
Rumors created whether it is that your name is being discussed for cabinet berth.
Cabinet berth? If I was the chief minister, there was no question of me being cabinet berth.
Okay.
It is the priority of the chief minister.
Okay.
I have absolutely no craving for that post. If the honorable chief minister decided, it is his prerogative. I will continue. I am happy that the people of Kuchera elected me for the second time as MLA, and maybe in future also they will elect me. That is the priority of working for the people of Kuchera as MLA, and then for the state of Goa. But being a minister or not a minister is not